Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I have in another Madam Glam swatch video for you guys. So I do have 3 that Madam Glam sent me here, and then I do have a box that I had made on Thanksgiving, Black Friday sale. So I'm gonna do swatches for these ones as well. So this first color we're going to start out with is called Deep Burgundy, and this one is just a cream color. So here's what Deep Burgundy looks like. It's definitely going to need a second coat. This one's pretty shadowy, but I think it'll be opaque in one more coat. But it is a beautiful deep burgundy red. I've been looking for a shade just like this. I'm so excited that I finally found a perfect burgundy color. This next one is called That's the Spirit, and this one is a glitter. So here is what That's the Spirit looks like. It is a fun, chunky glitter. It's got all kinds of glitters in there. The base is got a little tint to it. You could see there. Definitely not opaque, but I did get this one specifically to go with Deep Burgundy, because it's going to pair just beautifully over that burgundy color. And the last one that they sent over is Antique Silver. So here's what Antique Silver looks like, and I do think that they have the wrong topper on this bottle, because this is not what it looks like, which is okay. I knew it was gonna look like this, which I was questioning why it had this on there. So Madam Glam, looks like you got your toppers mixed up a little bit. It's actually popping off. But this is what the actual shade looks like. It is a lighter gray, and it's got these beautiful iridescent glitters in it. So those were the 3 that they sent over to me. And then here are the 4 that I purchased. And this one is actually fully missing the top, which I do have one other polish in my collection that is fully missing the top. But at least this one has the correct swatch on it, looks like. So 4 colors, and then I did pick up their lint-free wipes to try. I'm always looking for a good lint-free wipe. I feel like every nail tech is. These ones feel okay. They're definitely not my favorite. I cannot find my favorite ones anywhere anymore. So I've been looking for some new ones. So I'll go ahead and try these out, but I don't think they're gonna replace my favorite ones. So I did pick up one other Builder in a bottles. This one's Builder Sheer Pink. So I just wanted to test it out. So I'm gonna swatch it, but I'll definitely have to do a separate video if you guys want. Let me know if you guys want me to do a separate video actually using this as a builder gel. And then I finally got my hands on the Touches of Gold top coat. It is a no wipe top coat that has these fun gold flakes on it, so it turns just a regular color into a little bit of a sparkle, just a little touch of gold. And then I did pick up 2 of their hollow polishes. This was from a Ho Ho holiday collection, maybe from last year. But I wanted to try it out. So this one is called Sugar Cookie, and this one is their basic silver holographic. So it is on the sheer side, but that'll be fun, especially this one being silver. That'd be fun to try to pair it on top of, see, I have my blue underneath. It kind of gives it a little bit of a blue tinge to it. That would be fun to play around with. But I'm going to see if I can build up the opacity for it to be on its own. And then this one is called Ho Ho Hollow, and this one's Purple Hollow. Again, little on the sheer side, but this one has more pigment to it, I feel like. And again, you could pair it with like a purple underneath, that's similar tones. Alright, so here are all of the polishes I got in. The 3 Madam Glam had sent me, and then the 4 that I had ordered on Black Friday. So I just wanted to do a quick swatch of everything I got in, but I am going to go into a tutorial, which is going to be the main part of the video, and you'll find out if we're using any of these new goodies that I got in today. So let's go ahead and get into that tutorial. So to start off this design, I'm taking deep burgundy, and I'm painting this on my middle finger as well as my thumb. Next, I'm going in with Madam Glam's Perfect White, and I'm painting this on my ring finger. Next, I'm going to go in with Madam Glam's Lost in the Woods. This is a brighter green shade, and I'm going to paint this on my pinky and my pointer finger. And I'm going to go ahead and do a second coat of all of the colors. Next, I'm going in with Light Elegance's Richie and Bitchy. This is a nice Christmas red glitter, and I just love this glitter and the name. But I'm going to use this as the base for some chunky glitter. So I'm going to do a full coat on my middle finger, and I'm going to do a glitter fade from the cuticle on my thumb. The loose glitter I'm going to be using is from Glitter Heaven Australia. This is traditional. This is a red and green chunky glitter mix. And I'm just going to place some of these scattered on top of that red glitter that I already have going down. Next, I'm going in on my ring finger, which has the white background, and we're going to create a fun mint candy swirl nail. So we're going to use deep burgundy as the red swirls. And I do apologize, this is when my footage gets a little bit strange. Some of it was filmed in slow-mo, so I've had to speed it back up, but it's not quite the same quality, and there were a couple clips that got completely deleted somehow, so I do apologize if the timing or there's a couple jumps in there. But to do the candy swirl nail, I just create a dot in the center of my nail, and then I just start creating those little swirls all the way around. I know this design can be a little bit tricky. I did do this design 2 times. This is my second time doing this design on my nail because I didn't like the first time, and you just gotta play around with it. Clear Jelly Stamper does have a stamping plate that has this specific design on it, so would highly recommend just getting the stamp, but I do not own that stamping plate right now. Next, I'm going to go in with Young Nails Mission Control paint in Giant. This is their green. So once I have the larger red swirls done, I go in between on the white parts and just create a thin green stripe swirled in. Next, I go in with Madam Glam's white gel paint, and I'm going to create a thin white stripe on top of the red stripes. So it's left with a little thin red stripe, and then a thick red stripe, and then the thin green stripe. Moving on to my pointer finger, we're going to create a fun Christmas plaid design. I'm going to go ahead and insert my inspiration picture here. I did take a lot of elements from this inspiration picture, but also changed it up and kind of made it my own design as well. But going back in with that deep burgundy shade, I'm going to create one stripe going down and one going across. And then this is where I lost some of the footage, so I go in with the Madam Glam white gel paint, and I'm going to create dashed lines going down right next to the red stripe, and then same with the red stripe going across. I do those hash marks going across in the white gel paint. Next, I go in with Madam Glam's gold gel paint, and I create a gold stripe going down and then a gold stripe going across. Next, I'm going in with some Stay Put jelly from Daily Charm. I'm going to put a dollop of this right in the middle of the candy cane swirl nail. And then I got these Swarovski crystals from Daily Charm in my Halloween mystery box. And there's some red ones in there, so I just pulled one of those and put that right in the center. This helps to cover up that very center because it tends to get a little bit messy with all the lines. Next, I'm going to go in with top coat. I will be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. And after top coat, I'm going to go in on my pinky finger and I'm going to create a sweater design. So I'm going to go in with the Young Nails Giant gel paint, which was that green. It matches this base color green pretty well. And I'm just going to create the traditional little Z looking lines for the sweater design. Then I'm going to go in with Glitter Heaven Australia Mystic Dust, which is just a super fine white glitter, but it kind of matches the color of whatever color you're putting it on. So I sprinkle this on top of the wet gel and then give that a full cure and brush off the excess glitter. So here's how my Christmas nails came out. I have to say At first, they were a lot. There's a lot of designs, a lot of color. They're very bright, but I kind of love them. They've definitely grown on me, and these are probably one of my more favorite Christmas designs I've done on myself, and these are the nails I will be wearing for Christmas, so I'm so excited. I was so happy how these came out. I love how each nail is a very different design, but yet the color scheme kind of all goes together. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed my Christmas tutorials, and make sure you subscribe to see what tutorial I come out with for my New Year's nails. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!